With the How to Renovate a House online course, learn how to take on your renovation with confidence and ease. Join us in our in-depth course for first-time renovators, where we share tools, resources, and a step-by-step process to follow for a smooth and successful home renovation. Use our budgeting module to learn how to predict your renovation spend and how to prepare for and limit unforeseen costs, so you'll be ready for anything. In our layout module, gain a full understanding of what to think about to achieve the right layout for every room, addressing your needs and the space you're working with. Use the design module to get to grips with your own unique style and how to build mood boards and colour schemes the easy way. In the planning module, learn how to project plan a renovation, create a timeline, and assign tasks to coordinate everyone involved, so you'll deliver on time and within budget. Our shopping module will share recommended suppliers, plus guidance on which materials are right for your budget and vision. And get ready to go with the build module, where we'll discuss how to cope with disruption, manage your stress levels, and effectively communicate with your contractors. Sign up today and get a head start on your renovation.